Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kisui. So in today's video I'll be making jollof puff puff. Why I call it jollof puff puff? Because I choose to make it in my own way. So you'll be seeing the recipe, the ingredient I use in the screen there, so you can use a screenshot if you want to make. So after mixing, make sure your hands are clean. Okay, I add all the ingredients, then I mix. I added my blended fresh pepper with onions. I chop them very little, then I start adding cold water little by little so that I will not over pour the water. I use warm water, not cold water. So after mixing, I beat, make sure that it has no lump. Okay, then after that, and make sure it's not watery, then I covered and put in microwave. After 5 minutes I brought it out. It has seen that it was rice. After 5 minutes, then I start frying. This time I was using this measuring spoon to scoop the puff puff into the frying pan, because I don't know how to mold it. I don't know how to cut it with my hands. So but you can use that. Is another method of molding your puff puff, and it turns out good and it tastes nice. So for those of you that eat sugar, you can add more sugar, but for me I don't eat sugar. That's why I add little sugar. God bless you and love you. See you in my next video. Bye.